What's up, everyone? Well, today we're driving the Jeep Gladiator all packed up with stuff, good old parts, to Nichols Auto Fab in Prescott. And Kevin and his guys are gonna whip this thing up into shape, put the Nitto 37-inch Nitto trail grapplers on the 17-inch Icon wheels, and we're gonna get the Stage 8 kit installed along with nitro gears, 513 gears, and a Hellwig rear sway bar. This truck's gonna be way different in the end. So I'm excited to take you along for the ride. We got a little bit more driving to do with a beautiful view. So let's do it. Woo! After traveling the better part of last year out of a full-size diesel, I decided to take on the challenge of building my own ultimate adventure vehicle. A rig I can live comfortably out of full-time, hit some sweet jumps, and crawl big rocks. Brought to you in part by Warren Industries, Icon Vehicle Dynamics, Hellwig Products, Nitto Tire, Max Trax, Magnaflow, Dometic, Nichols Auto Fab, Pack Racks, Nitro Gear and Axle, Max Oak, 6-7 Designs, and coming soon, a home on wheels to make it the first ever Mars expedition vehicle. Alrighty, here we are. There's Kevin's new beast. Oh wow, look, another Gladiator. Well, that's cool.
There he is.
Alright, well, we made it. Super stoked. Look at this. So we got our tires just fit in the back with our pack racks here. This thing's super loaded down. But yeah, stoked to be here at Nichols Auto Fab. Bright and early, 8 a.m. Just crack it down here for me. But yeah, it's cool to see. We pulled up, we've got this other Gladiator over here on 37-inch Nitto trail grapplers, which are the exact same tires that are going on. So this Gladiator in a couple days gonna look like a lot more like this Gladiator. Oh, and of course, thanks for my buddy Happy behind the camera doing the filming. Come on, get a shot of yourself there, buddy. Yeah. Seriously, man, stoked to have you here and helping film. And
this thing's gonna look amazing. Kevin's gonna hook it up just in case you haven't seen it, which I know you have.
Nichols Auto Fab, Prescott, Arizona. Business hours Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Closed 12 to 1 for lunch. Gotta eat, right? Oh, it's so big. Oh, it's a heavy box.
It's like the perfect size rock for those tires.
Literally, like, I could not have fit more stuff in here.
This is Mr. Boyd over at Nichols Auto Fab, tearing into it like it's Christmas morning.
It's like my favorite part of a job too. It's like it's like just like Christmas morning. Like, ooh, yes.
Yeah, everything's got its own little touch. It's all
That's exactly
fancy.
what I build when I make them custom.
Right, yeah?
This little box of magic. That's a whole lot of handles great.
I'm glad you're organizing all this.
These will make it a little better too.
Oh yeah, nice, okay. I like that.
Nice flat spot.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Yeah, and I like how they come with a little guard for the stanchion so you don't nick them all up. Even though we are Nichols Auto Fab.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, nice.
Woo. That keeps that big tires from shaking your wheel around, getting death wobble.
Yeah. What do you think of the center line? It's kind of a cool design, right?
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit different.
This will be tucked up, nice enough out of the way and everything. It's definitely got where I needed to go very easily.
These links look so sick. Wow. Yeah, those look way cool. Oh, they've even got like a drag plate. Is that like a Delrin, like, right?
Yeah,
just to slide them up.
The aluminum will gouge a little bit and hang you up.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is
slicker material that, I mean, it'll gouge, but you can keep replacing it.
Yeah, exactly.
And that'll slip on every surface.
It's probably like a Delrin or,
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Yeah.
Nice looking stuff.
I had these exact same shocks on the Dodge Mahal, and by the time we were done with the truck, they had 145,000 miles on them and should have been rebuilt multiple times and never were. So I believe in these CDC 2.5 shocks. All right, she's up there. Yeah, get those Falcon tires off there. Falcon tires, we need some Nittos.
That's a cool Jeep. I just say thank you anyway.
What a beautiful kit. I was super impressed unboxing all this, and before I knew it, they had the Jeep torn apart and were cutting the stock bump stop off.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we gotta cut them out.
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
So the next step is a little careful sawzalling, because we got the windshield washer right here. We need a fuel vapor line.
Yeah.
The other side has harnesses to deal with as well.
Well, there's the stock bump stop. Just a little piece of rubber. And we'll set this to the side, replace it with the hydraulic bump. I'm thinking that'll be nice.
Mr. Mark right there. Then we got some parts over here, parts up here. We got a nice TV over here. Check this out. Yeah, it's down a mob. That's what it is. I knew I recognized it. More parts over. Oh my God! Hey, buddy.
Oh, hey, I was just reading the Overland Journal, the new one here.
Were
I
you-
wasn't just sitting here watching.
Were you
my-
watching your own video?
No, dude. They're so. I gotta go check on the Gladiator. Ooh, that's looking real nice.
He's starting to turn into Roseanne Barr.
Oh yeah, and then I can come up with here,
Give him the stickers.
adjust the knob. That's when I realized that with how the reservoirs were angled and with how low the Warn Elite bumper is, which is awesome to keep all that weight from the winch nice and low, I couldn't quite get my fingers in to adjust the compression knobs, and I was going to be doing that quite a bit. So Boyd chopped a little bit out of the skid plate, and we were able to put them vertical to where I could grab the adjustment knob really easy. Thanks so much, Boyd. Appreciate it. What we did, Boyd cut this, the skid plate here, to clear the reservoir so we could straighten it out, and then boom, look at that. You can actually see the numbers on the top and get at that adjustment knob nice and easy. So just another cool thing. Nichols Auto Fab going above and beyond, making sure everything is exactly where I want it. Hello, new Icon suspension. I'm gonna send ya.
Nice and dark.
Would you look at the links though? Gonna scratch them up.
These are billet aluminum, right?
Yes, sir.
And like the Heims are just blew my mind when I saw them. They came out, and then the fact that they put these skid plates, because that was a thought and concern right away. We were like, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna crunch these up.
Yep. And then they put this on here also, bash guard.
Yeah, having the stanchion cover, because if you nick these stanchions, every time that shock compresses, it's gonna spit some more oil out and it's gonna blow your seals way quicker. So you wanna protect those. Not a lot of trucks honestly have these.
They don't.
The Fox shocks came with it stock, but yeah.
But I'm just blown away by everything. I love the color scheme. Just the billet is blowing me away. It's blowing my mind.
Dang, the fronts, huh? So as you can see, Icons are a little longer. The fronts are just the same kind of here, and these are progressive. So you got spring rate closer here, soft and firm. Oh yeah.
Randy read one and I was like, you have it ink, just kind of joking, and he's like, wait, I do, and he had it with one of the owners. I was like, no, honestly, I prefer the pink.
Nobody's gonna take it from me. Like they can't steal it. You'll know it's yours.
A lot of women in my family go through breast cancer, so I was like, I kind of.
There you go.
That's awesome.
My old one was 20-something years old. He told me he looked up the part number. He's like, you've had this for almost 25 years.
Wow.
It's a paperweight.
Wow.
He's like, it's done. Don't rebuild it. Try the new model.
So your old Snap-on was 25 years?
Yeah, it lasted 25 years.
Jeez.
I barely could hit 150 foot-pounds. This bad boy has 800-something foot-pounds in forward and about 1,100 in reverse.
Jeez.
So like when we're doing differentials, they have a crush sleeve for the pinion depth.
Yeah.
Trying to get that crush sleeve.
Here you go.
Sometimes.
You hold this up in front of your Jeep, take a picture, say, I'm getting ready to work on my Jeep.
Yeah, dude. I'm coming to help. I'm going to help out.
That's a proper axle.
We're just loosening the axle. Oh, oops. So as you can see at Nichols Auto Fab, Kevin and the team will work on just about anything. They got Jeeps, we got old Toyotas. Look at this old Ford. To a brand new Ford with an AT Overland wedge. Passion for what you do transcends all brands. That's so lame, but I like it. Oh, that's some old school down to mom. Playing in the shop. Cool. It's fun to see the videos playing on someone else's TV. I always like that. Never gets old. Oh, that's fun. You guys actually like my videos. And I hope that you enjoyed this one. So comment and let me know what you think of the Icon Stage 8 suspension. Check out the links below to some of the products I used. And stay tuned for a video of us jumping this Jeep and really putting this suspension to the test. And also in the next build video, we start installing the Nitro 513 gears and we get the Nitto Trail Grapplers all mounted on these new Icon alloys. It's an exciting time, so hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you're subscribed and tap the bell to get notifications when I post new videos of the Jeep Gladiator build series every Saturday. The only question is, are you down to mob? Oh, she's a mobber!